Two of India's biggest crypto platforms. One massive showdown. Which one really delivers? On the left, CoinDCX, India's trusted crypto gateway, loved by over 13 million users. And on the right, Delta Exchange, the derivatives powerhouse built for Indian traders. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters. We'll score each category and reveal, point by point, who comes out on top. The winner might surprise you. Okay, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's lay out the battlefield. These are the categories we're going to compare: fees and pricing, product range, security and regulation, trading experience, education and support, mobile experience, and unique features. By the end, you'll have a clear mind map of which platform fits your style. All right, let's kick off with fees and pricing. CoinDCX first. Honestly, their commission fees are super low, like up to 0.04% for maker and 0.06% for taker. Pretty competitive. And if you're trading big volumes, you get discounts. Although, dude, finding the exact volume-based fees, not super transparent. Now, shifting to Delta Exchange, they keep it straightforward with transparent fixed rates. 0.1% for futures, 0.05% for options. Also, if you're in India, deposits are free and withdrawal fees are just like 10 to 20 rupees, which is kind of awesome. Only catch, no fiat support except INR. But overall, they're both cheap. Tie for this round. Next, let's talk product range. And oh boy, CoinDCX absolutely smashes here. Seriously, you get over 500 coins with spot, margin, futures, staking, lending, and basically every crypto product you can imagine. Easy INR deposit withdrawal too, which is perfect. The only weird thing is, no demo accounts for learning, but most folks won't miss that. Now, Delta Exchange, it's all about futures and options. You get 41 plus assets, tiny lot sizes, so even smaller trades are welcome, and all sorts of expiry periods. But yeah, no spot trading or marginal trading outside their derivatives world. So, if you want everything, CoinDCX wins hands down in product range. Now, let's get into security and regulation. How safe is your money? For CoinDCX, security is next level. KYC checks, two-factor authentication, insured cold storage, fast onboarding, and it's legit trusted by millions of Indians. It's also fully compliant locally, which gives you some peace of mind. Flipping to Delta Exchange, the basics are solid. 2FA, encryption, cold storage, and it's officially registered with the Financial Intelligence Unit. Also compliant, but kind of weirdly, no call center for customer support, and they don't mention any fund insurance. So, while both are safe, honestly, CoinDCX is a tad more trustworthy with full investor protection. CoinDCX wins here. Hey, quick sidebar. Did you know CoinDCX is actually now the largest crypto platform in India by user base? And Delta Exchange? It's basically the only major Indian regulated crypto derivatives specialist. Pretty wild, right? Anyway, back to the showdown. Let's talk trading experience. When you're actually on the platform, what does it feel like? CoinDCX, first, it's got a clean interface. Trading view charting built in, plus handy mobile apps. But there's no demo accounts, and leverage on spot only goes up to 6x. Which might be a bit limiting if you're into high-risk, high-reward stuff. With Delta, this is where things get spicy. You can crank leverage up to 100x. Yes, you heard that right. Plus, they have a strategy builder if you're into complex trades. And tiny lot sizes mean anyone can start trading derivatives. The only downside? Less polished interface for total beginners. And fiat is INR only. But if you want pro-level trading tools and leverage, Delta Exchange totally wins this round. Education and support is next, and let's be real. CoinDCX really cares about helping you learn. They've got CoinDCX Academy with courses, videos, tutorials, and an active community to tap into. Need support? You've got options. Delta Exchange, meanwhile, does have some basic tutorials and ready-made trading strategies for automation. But support options are kind of limited. There's no call center, and very little hand-holding if you get stuck. So, if you want to learn, CoinDCX is the obvious winner. Now, let's shift to mobile experience. Seriously, CoinDCX has nailed it. Their app is full-featured, super easy to use, quick onboarding, and basically everything you need is right there on your phone. For Delta, the app is definitely functional and even adaptive, but you'll notice some features missing compared to the website. And honestly, it's not as beginner-friendly as CoinDCX. So, if you want mobile-first trading, CoinDCX takes this one too. Oh, and here's something cool. Unique features, CoinDCX brings staking, lending, earn programs, referral rewards, and handy portfolio tracking. Very much like a full crypto ecosystem, right? Delta, meanwhile, is all about those trading quirks. Things like interest rate swaps, OTC trading for big moves, high leverage tricks, and a referral program too. So each has their own vibe. CoinDCX for ecosystem features, Delta for derivatives innovation. I'll call this a tie, just because both are genuinely cool in their own ways. Looking at all those categories mapped out, you get a really clear picture. CoinDCX is super strong for beginners, education, security, and mobile features. Delta Exchange is a derivatives powerhouse. If you're all about leverage or options, it really shines on trading tools. You can literally see this across the board. So what's my honest take? If you're just starting out, want flexibility, or love altcoins, CoinDCX is the obvious choice in 2025. It's got the best range, easiest app, best support. But if you're an active trader and seriously want to push the limits with futures, options, and strategy building, Delta Exchange is the real deal. Pick based on your style. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.